Okay, so in today's video where we're going to be cleaning and organizing this refrigerator, I had some meat spill right here, and I don't really think I'm going to do anything with the door. I'm just going to work on the actual body of the fridge, take everything out and wiping it down. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do here is I'm not going to do it shelf by shelf. I'm just going to take everything out of the whole refrigerator, clean the whole refrigerator. Then before I put everything back, I'm going to throw away what is old or open, stuff like that that we're not going to be using, and then I will put everything back in there. Okay, so I grabbed one large trash bag and I'm going to start throwing out everything that is expired or have been open too long, stuff like that. So for the door, I'm not taking anything out or cleaning, but there's some stuff in there that I know is old, and I'm just trying to make everything fit a little better so it doesn't look so bad when you open it.
Perfect.
Okay, so now that we got everything out, I'm just going to be using my Lysol spray. It's an all-purpose spray in the pomegranate scent. I'm just going to spray every shelf and wipe it down. And I'm not going to take all them bottles of water out. I'm just going to wipe one side, shift them all to the other side, then wipe it down. And I'm not going to take the drawers out either. Sometimes I take the drawers out and I wash them in the sink. But this time I'm just going to spray in there and give it a good wipe down. So here is the refrigerator all clean and wiped out. Now I'm going to put everything over here back into the refrigerator all neat, organized, and pretty. Now tell me, is that not satisfying? And here's a quick clip of the little Fifi playing in the soda boxes. Okay, so now I'm finished putting everything back in there. The tea jug is still in the sink. I'm going to make tea later and put it back. But we just have all the drinks on the middle shelf. Some crescent rolls, cheese, and sandwich meat. And then over here I have a pack of meat, some Reese's, and my eggs. And my milk is up here on the top shelf. That second shelf is life, you guys. Ain't it, kitty? So now I'm actually going to take the time and clean the outside of the refrigerator with the same spray I used to clean the inside. I moved the trash can out because we do keep it beside the one side of the refrigerator. So I'm going to clean that side of the refrigerator also and vacuum the floor in that spot, change the trash, and also wipe down the trash can with the same spray. Okay, you guys, here is the finished product with the clean refrigerator and trash can. I really hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.